we believe that health should support your real life and not compete with it. So these workouts are designed for busy Christian moms who want to build strength, care for their bodies that God gave them, and create healthy rhythms that actually fit to real motherhood. So you do not need perfect routines, hours in the gym, or extreme plans to begin taking care of yourself. You just need some small, faithful steps. Today's workout is focused on core stability, helping your core stay engaged while the rest of your body moves. Remember, we are not chasing perfect, we are moving in faith. Our Bible verse for today is Psalm 46:1. God is our refuge and our strength, and at his right help in trouble. Before we get moving, we're going to set our hearts and minds on the Lord. Lord, thank you for today. Thank you for being our strength when we are weak. Thank you for leading us and guiding us. Thank you for the discipline to show up and move our bodies today. And thank you for this wonderful, exhausting journey of motherhood. And above all else, Lord, I pray that we would bring you glory. In Jesus' name, amen. All right, so grab your mat and meet me on the floor. All right. Until now, we have focused on breathing and core activation. So today, we are teaching the core to stay engaged while our arms and our legs move. This is an important part of rebuilding your strength because real life isn't spent lying still. We carry babies, we carry groceries, we homeschool, we serve our families, and our core needs support to help us. Our core needs to support us through all of that. We're going to start with dead bugs. You're going to lay back, lay on your back. Your lower back is going to stay touching the mat. You're going to put your knees at a 90-degree angle. Your arms are going to go straight up. You're going to pull your right arm back as your left arm goes out, and then back to center. We're going to be alternating sides. You're going to keep your core activated. Make sure your lower back stays on the mat. We're going to alternate sides slowly for a total of 16. The focus is to keep your core engaged while you're moving your arms and your legs. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All right. Remember, 46:1. God is our refuge and strength and ever-present help in trouble. All right. Next, we're going to roll over. We're going to go on all fours on our hands and knees, and we are going to do bird dogs. While you're doing these, I want you to imagine that you are balancing a glass of water on your back. The goal is to keep your back and your hips flat without arching your back and without moving back and forth. We're going to move slowly. We're going to alternate through 16, doing 8 on each side. So you're going to come up on your hands and your knees. You're going to be lifting your right arm and your left leg, extending them out and pulling them back. And then doing the other side. So back and hips stay flat and try not rocking side to side, keeping your core tight and engaged. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All right, well done. Next, we're going to go back on our back. We're going to do glute bridges. We're going to do them for 15 reps. You need to make sure you are using your glutes and your core together. And the goal is to activate your core while we are doing our glute bridges. So you're going to lay back. Feet are flat on the mat. Back is flat on the mat. Shoulders and chest flat on the mat. You're going to push through your heels and lift your hips toward the ceiling, squeezing the glutes at the top, keeping the core activated, lowering with control for 15 counts. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. All right, now you're gonna stay here. Our final move in this first round is going to be a glute bridge hold. We're going to lift into a glute bridge and we're going to hold it for 10 deep breaths, keeping your core nice and activated and staying steady and controlled. So you're gonna lift up into that glute bridge and we're gonna hold it and take 10 deep breaths. 3, 2, 1. Lift and hold and breathe. And exhale. Three. Inhale. Exhale. 4. Inhale. Exhale. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Last deep breath. Inhale and exhale. And lower with control. All right, Psalm 46:1. God is a refuge and strength, an ever-present help in trouble. Now we're going to do our second round. We're going to go back through all 4 of those exercises with a little bit more speed this time. So we're going to start with our dead bugs. So lay back and alternate sides for a total of 16. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep that back on the mat. 6, and breathe. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. All right, now you're gonna flip over and we're gonna go back into the bird dogs for a total of 16. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, going back into our glute bridges for 15. 3, 2, 1. 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure you're pushing with your heels. 6, keeping that core engaged. 7, squeezing the glutes at the top. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and relax. Okay, our last move is that glute bridge hold for 10 counts. Try and do some deep breathing while you're holding it. Squeeze your glutes at the top and be sure your core is nice and engaged. Pull your belly button to your spine. 3, 2, 1. Hold and breathe. Three more deep breaths. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Last one. Inhale and exhale. Lower with control. All right, I am so proud of you for showing up today. I want you to remember Psalm 46:1. God is a refuge and strength, an ever-present help in trouble. All right, I want to leave you with a little bit of encouragement. If these movements felt challenging, that's okay. Strength is not built in a day. It is built through small moments of faithfulness repeated over time. Every rep is helping create stronger foundation. Today we focused on stability. Next video, we're going to be adding in a little bit more strength with some bridge marches, some modified planks, and some sideline work. Nothing extreme. Just another small step forward. And you don't have to do this perfectly. Just keep showing up faithfully. And thank you for moving with me today. I hope that you feel stronger and more grounded, and I want to remind you, your health doesn't have to be complicated when you root it in the Lord. If this workout has encouraged you, make sure you subscribe, share it with a mom who needs this encouragement and support in her life as well. Check out some of my free resources like 7-Day God's Way to Fat Loss, online course completely free. You'll find everything at healthyholymomlife.com. Keep showing up in faith. And remember, small, faithful steps really do add up. And keep today's Bible verse in your heart and your minds as you move forward throughout your day. Psalm 46:1, God is a refuge and strength and an ever-present help in trouble.